I'm Reprops, and today I'm making an E-11 blaster, or a Stormtrooper's rifle from Star Wars. For this build, you will need these household materials, supplies, and equipment. The first thing I did was cut out a couple layers of the handle, and I glued all of those together to make the slight curve that it has. I glued some strips of cardboard onto that, and then I cut out the trigger out of cardboard using a couple layers of cardboard for it. I cut the oval details that are in the barrel out and glued in another barrel into that, and then I glued on the handle assembly onto that, adding on some strips of details where I felt they were needed. I made a scope out of some cardboard dowels, and I glued that on using a rounded piece of cardboard, and then I glued on some dowels into the barrel to make the rounded part that it has on it. Made the kickstand part on the front out of some cardboard and some wire, which I bent into place so that it could fold out and come out. I wrapped the back of the blaster in some cardboard to give it some definition and glued on a few small details here and there. I used some black spray paint to paint the whole gun black, hitting all of the areas, and then I hit the whole thing with a gloss coat to make it shine. I used an old t-shirt to rub on some silver spray paint, which I sprayed into a paint can lid to dry brush the whole gun. Overall, I think this looks great. It definitely looks great when put with my Tank Trooper costume, so go check that out. If you guys want to see more of my videos, be sure to like and subscribe. See ya.